Hopefully you can hear my smile. This is actually my most favorite segment of the week. It's the IRS train wreck of the week. This is where I get to talk about people who came into the office, you know, that nervous wreck. They had the biggest problem in their lives, and we sat down, we figured out a game plan, we implemented the plan, and ultimately it worked out. In this particular case, a husband and wife came in. They had been non-filers for many years. We didn't even know how much they owed. We ended up getting all of their tax returns prepared and filed. Turns out their balance due was over $209,000.
How many years was that?
As I recall, it was probably 10 or 12 years. It was a good long time. And, you know, they had gone through a period in their life in the boom times when they were in the real estate, roughly peripherally related to real estate. And so they were making really good money. But when the recession came, their income crashed, and now they were much lower income. Ultimately, we made an offer and compromise for these folks, and it ended up going through. It was $209,000, but they had some assets. So you guys are used to me really saying, you know, they owed $209 and I settled for $1,000. This story is not like this at all. What happened is they had some assets. The IRS found some horses and some other things like that. And I was trying to argue to the IRS, like, look, a horse, unless it's a racehorse or some kind of stud breeder, is not an asset. This is a liability.
Vet bills.
Yeah, but in this particular case, the deal that we worked out is we roughly settled for about $48,000, and they were able. We never talked about this. We worked it out so that they were able to pay that at roughly $2,000 a month over the next 24 months, interest-free, penalty-free.